The other thing I really liked is with the textures of the tiles, the fact that we have a really nice play with light, natural light and artificial light. So I think it's a beautiful project that you're going to have a very successful show.
E di aver molto lavorato su una materia prima naturale che poi viene riportata in grandissimi lastre, perché se penso a quali possano essere i vostri competitor, ne ho in mente solo due, ma che di fatto non lavorano su lastre così grandi.
I'm very excited. I've not only learned something new, but it's inspired myself and my colleague about possibly using the material in our own way, with the collaboration to create our own design.
It is surprising how Nexion manages to surpass itself every year. It's breathtaking, and we look forward to working with these products in the coming years.
Let me start off with the product is spectacular. The designs are absolutely new age, and it's keeping in times what is required right now. And one real hats off is the consistency of product quality.